Hello people and welcome to Follow Internet. Open up your YouTube studio, channel violations, warning. This is coming from community guideline strike. Important notifications you can see here. This community guideline warning comes from, this is our video that were downloaded. So now we are going to take action. Click on it, take action. Scroll down. You can see here, this is just a warning. At the top of the bottom, begin review, click on it. Take a look. This is our content. This comes from harmful or dangerous content. You can read carefully what happened with our content. We are talking about man in the middle framework on Kali Linux. In that case, I don't know why there gives this warning. A lot of people, they are doing similar content. So I want to click on next. Under this review and issues wizard, take policy training. Now click on take training. Now click on next. This is our first question. You can read carefully. Oscar is a blogger. He uploads a video in which he pranks his best friend by changing her social media account profile, photo and settings. He shows how to hack into his friend's account using an app. Is this a violation? Yes, it is. Check. Click on it. You can see that's right. A little scroll, click on next. Scroll up. Another question that he uploads a documentary in which he explained the science behind how math affects the brain. He includes detail about the chemical components in math and then gives instruction on how to make math using readily available chemicals. Is this a violation? I think yes, it is. Click on check. A little scroll down. You can see that's correct answer. So click on next to getting our another question. A gaming channel uploads an informational video about how logins for a popular video game get stolen. The host demonstrates how to create a fake landing page to collect login details for video game accounts from unsuspecting users. Is this a violation? Yes, it is. Click on check. A little scroll. That's correct answer. Click on next. Scroll up. This is another question. Olga uploads a tutorial about a website that lets you bypass a login and access a popular movie streaming service for free. She shows how she signed up and proved that it works by planning a clip of her favorite show. Normally you have to pay to watch a streaming service, but by using this method you don't have to pay. Is this a violation? Yes, it is. Click on check. That's correct. Click on next. Scroll up. A news channel posts an investigative story about ghost guns, which are unlicensed, homemade firearms. The reporter shows images of dozens of 3D printed guns that were seized by local police during a raid. This is not a violation. Check, click on it. That's correct. Next, click on it. Fatima is an exercise blogger. She tells her viewers that she wants to make sure that they can use her exercise at any time, anywhere. Fatima shows them how to use a website that she found that helps viewers download YouTube videos. Downloading YouTube content is against the terms of service unless expressly unauthorized with prior permission from YouTube. Fatima discourages people from downloading other creators' content but says that she gives her subscribers permission to download her content from the platform. Little scroll down. Now select all correct answer. Yes, this is a violation because she encourages people to download YouTube content. Click on check. That's right. Click on next. Scroll up. This is our last question about Nur post a video about firearms regulation loopholes. She explains how solvent traps, which are accessories used in cleaning firearms, are often converted into firearms suppressors or silencers. She says that the convention process is quite simple, but she does not provide instructions. As you can see here, this is not a violation because it doesn't show viewers how to make prohibited accessories. Click on next. Training policy wizard, nice work. We have completed this training. What next? Our warning will expire 29 December 2023. If you violate this harmful or dangerous policy again before this warning expires, you will get a strike. Now click on close training. We are completed successfully. Now coming back, appeal this decision. Now I'm going to appeal.